Losing that crystal clear pool water after winterization is super frustrating, but you can totally get it back with the right steps. First off, you want to clean the pool really well before you start adding any chemicals. Skim out leaves, debris, and scrub the walls, because all that gunk can mess with your water clarity. Next up, run your filter for at least 24 hours straight to get everything circulating and clear out any leftover winter crud. Check the water chemistry before you do anything else. Test for pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and chlorine levels. If your pH is off, like above 7.8 or below 7.2, it can make the water cloudy, so adjust it slowly with pH increaser or decreaser. Don't forget to balance total alkalinity between 80 and 120 parts per million, because that helps keep pH steady. Shock your pool with a good chlorine shock treatment to kill off any algae or bacteria that might have started growing during the off-season. Finally, keep running the pump daily and clean the filter regularly for the first week to keep things clear and sparkling. One of the biggest mistakes people make after winterizing their pool is not cleaning it thoroughly before adding chemicals. This leaves debris that causes cloudy water. Fix that by spending more time scrubbing and skimming before balancing chemicals. Another common issue is ignoring water chemistry tests. Unbalanced pH or alkalinity messes with clarity and can even damage your pool surfaces, so test every single thing carefully and adjust gradually. Lastly, many forget to run their filtration system long enough after winter, which means contaminants just sit in the water. Running your pump at least 24 hours a day and backwashing or cleaning your filter regularly fixes this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for pool service or repairs without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with real customers looking for their skills, making it easier to get work done and grow their business.